A woman hears her phone ring, a song she doesn't recognize. She answers. A voice whispers, "Look behind you." She laughs, thinking it's a prank, but when she turns, her reflection in the mirror isn't moving. It's staring back, smiling. The phone rings again. The reflection picks up its own phone, says, "I'm here," and steps out of the mirror. The screen cuts to black. The woman drops her phone, backing away as the reflection steps closer, its smile widening unnaturally. She tries to scream, but no sound comes out. The figure reaches out, its hand cold and real. Just as it's about to touch her, the screen flickers, and the scene resets. She's back on her couch, phone in hand. The ringtone starts again. She hesitates, then answers. The voice whispers, "You'll never escape." The screen fades to black as the reflection appears behind her once more.